And welcome again, Algebra. My first hour class would like to welcome all the other algebra classes, wouldn't we? Woo, woo! Yeah, listen to the crowd. Listen to the, woo! Welcome. Ow! Who is that? Okay, you had a worksheet, and on the front of the worksheet, you were supposed to do just the 4 problems. I said that on the video yesterday. I said it, and everybody's like, "Hey, what about the back?" And I was like, "You don't do the back, just the front. Those first 4 questions." And then, did I not tell you like all the answers? Oh, maybe I didn't say it on the video. Okay, so all you people listening on the video, I know I said you guys. I'm not telling the video. That's right. All right. So on the graphing side, if you did number 1 correctly, did we say it was 4-4? Yeah, we did because it was a golf problem. 4-4. Get it? I never have to say that because all my shots are straight down the fairway. Always. Number 2, we said that the worksheet and the answer key were a little different yesterday. This one we said was 2 to the left, so -2, and 1 up. Then number 3, the right answer was 1 to the left and 4 up. And the answer that I don't have, but I know I shared with you, what was it? -2, negative what? -1. Okay, so all of you out there in video land, if you check your answers and you got those wrong, that means you're going to get them wrong on this next quiz. So we're having the real deal quiz on Thursday. I don't know what the weather's going to do, but we will keep you updated. But the quiz isn't just going to go away. Oh, we had some snow days, so now we don't have to take the quiz. Wrong. Wrong. It's still going to be there. So you might have extra days to be like, oh, now I can practice graphing because I messed up on 2 of them. Do them again now that you have the answers. You know what I mean? Okay, this brings me to another point, obviously, because I'm just saying, right? I'm just saying. If we have snow days, Mr. Shipley has said that he wants you guys taking all your stuff with you. So, you know, your chromies, especially for this class. And there'll be like an assignment posted each day. The assignments posted are going to be so easy that if you don't do them, you deserve a 0. We won't give you the quiz remotely. Just get that out. Don't say, hey, where's the quiz, Mr. Blanchard? I thought we were having a quiz. I'm not going to give it remotely because here comes my friend Photo Math. Click. Which is maybe why some of you guys are struggling now. It's because your favorite app last year and the year before, hey, where's that Photo Math app? Oh, it would work on, well, it wouldn't work on the graphing, but it would work on everything else. Hey, I'm just saying. So, if you guys are like, hey, even though they said it's a remote day, I'm going to treat it as a snow day, then you might as well also treat it as a 0 day. Yay. No, not yay. It will be a 0 in the grade book, I promise. And ditto Miss Huff, she would say the exact same thing. She would say, tough luck, Chuck. All I'm saying is, I'm just saying. Okay, now we are moving on to substitution. I'm going to do a sample problem. I want you all to watch this. Substitution. 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 Okay, so for substitution, this is not on your worksheet, so don't go, hey, what problem are you doing on the worksheet, Miss Blanchard? I'm not. I made up some new ones. Okay. Here's an easy substitution problem, and then I'm going to show you a hard substitution problem, and then you guys are going to bust out that worksheet, and we'll see how far we can get. Okay. So here's an easy substitution problem. X equals negative 5y plus 3 and negative 4x minus 6y equals 16. I don't see this on the worksheet at all. It's not on the worksheet. Okay, this method, I was shocked. Some of you guys did, you know, on the back of the practice quiz, on the back of that puppy, some of y'all chose substitution over elimination, and you broke my heart. It was an early anti-Valentine's Day gift from you to me. Thanks a lot. Okay, this is an easy problem because, as you can see, this, ooh, green, is going to go right here because the first line says, hey, this is X. So I'm going to take that green blob and I'm going to put it right here in parentheses. And watch what's going to happen. Negative 4 and then parenthesis, then negative 5y plus 3, and then minus the 6y equals 16. And then that's this, and then that's this, and then that's this, and then that's this. Scrolly scroll. And then that's this, and then that's this, and then that's this, and then that's this, and that, and then voila, dose. Remember, we learned yesterday that not only is this math class, this is cross-curricular. Dose. Or the French would say, duh. Duh. That's 2. Duh. 1 is 2 is duh. I promise I can't make that up. Duh, trois. Okay, so that is that value. Now in blue ink, I'm going to take this 2 and I'm going to plug it in right here into this green blob right there. And it's going to be, I'm going to have to write it here because my handwriting got a little large as usual. Okay, I'm going to have to write it here. X equals negative 5 times 2 plus 3. That's negative 10 plus 3. So X equals negative 7. And then that means the solution set, or the answers are going to be negative 7, comma 2. That's the only thing I wish I would have done different on the practice quiz is for the answer blank, you know, the answer, put the parentheses and a comma so that you'd have to put them in that form. Some people wrote them backwards on the practice quiz. Hey, that wasn't too bad, and that was substitution. And by substitution, I mean substitution, 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 substitution. Okay, let's do a difficult substitution problem, and then you're going to realize, oh, it's not really a difficult substitution problem. It's just another substitution problem. Here we go. Let's try this one. Oh, I like this problem because the answer is 1, 1. Okay, you ready? So I already told you the answer, but watch. I don't care that I showed you the answer. I still have to see the work, even on the quizzy poo that we will have at some point. That's right, quizzy poo. Interesting. Okay. This one is kind of more set up for elimination than substitution, but I want you to do substitution. So that means getting one letter by itself. So I'm looking at this guy and saying, there's a 6 in front of it. I look at this guy, there's a -2 in front of it. I look at this guy, there's a -8 in front of it. That's a long way around saying, I want to get y by itself. The only way to get y by itself is to move that 6x. So here is what y equals when I move the 6x. Hey, it was positive on the left, and now it's negative on the right. Now it's time for green blobs again. No, nay. It's time for light blue blobs. Here's a blob. Here's a blob. Okay, I'm going to take that, and I'm going to go right there, and for y, because it says y equals. So now it's -2x minus 8, parenthesis, equals, okay, now I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to put the microphone really close, and so you can just hear all the clicks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What did I, how did I, what did I, oh. How'd you like that with all the clicks? I ruined it though with the uh-ohs because I forgot the negative symbol. See, I do that sometimes just to make you feel better. I would mess up like that just to make it, hey, even though it's Mr. Blanchard, he still messed up, just to make you feel a little better today on a Tuesday. Now I'm going to take this and it's going to go right here. So in green ink, y equals -6 times 1 plus 7. Y equals 1. The answer, Ta-da! Thank you. Thank you for all the applause. Appreciate that. I can even hear them clapping in Miss Huff's room right now. Can hear it in the background. Oh, they're getting a little closer to the door. Thank you. Okay, so now you have the back of the worksheet. I'm going to give you the answers, not in the right order. So if you get a set of answers and you're like, hey, I wonder if that's right. If it's one of the 6 answers that I wrote on the board, then move on to the next one. But if it's not, then raise your hand and say, hey, I think I need some help on this one. And then Miss Huff will walk over and she'll go, hey, how's it going? What did you mess up on? Because right now her voice isn't the strongest, but she cares so much that she is here today for you. Not for my students, but for her students. But she cares for you too. Okay, I'm going to write down the answers to the next 6 problems. I think I took a picture of the answer key. These are in random order. Okay, you ready? Here's one of the answers. Here's another 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 one of the answers. And uh-oh, Which problem did I forget? Here's another one of the answers. Okay, so as you're doing these 6 problems, you're probably going to need another piece of paper. I don't know, but you're only responsible for 5 through 10. Okay, you're only responsible for 5 through 10. Now, if we do happen to have a remote day tomorrow, it might be a video, but it would be really mean of me on a remote day to say, hey, everybody, do 11 through 18 now. It just would be. So just watch the video, and if it's a remote day, it will definitely be less than 11 through 18, okay? Definitely. But remember, stop. Remember that the remote day assignments are going to be so easy that if you don't do it, you deserve a 0. Oh, and for everybody else listening to this amazing video, I say, good day.